Human civilization had developed from a primitive era when savages ate animal flesh and drank its blood. Then the light of wisdom shined on the mountains and rivers on the earth. The evolutionary history kept going on. As science and technology became the core element in assisting the civilization evolution, the transmission technology arose to carry the mission of promoting all kinds of industries and get deeply involved in the world economy. DongLI Company2015, an admirable brand, creates an industrial legend in China, the economy with the most vitality. It has now become DongLI people's vision to build itself into the most competitive transmission service provider in China. In recent years, DongLI has invested 2 billion CNY to build a new production base of transmission equipment, which covers an area of 300,000 square meters and possesses the modern and standard factory buildings of 180,000 square meters. DongLI has become one of the most distinguished transmission equipment service providers in China. As the first public enterprise listed in Category A in the gear industry in China, and with the care of leaders and other people, DongLI is able to adapt to the trend of the current and future prospective markets, dedicated to serving the global market and customers. DongLi's main products consist of the modularized gear motors, modularized high-precision gear reducers, high-power and heavy-duty gear cases, dedicated gear cases, special motors, wind turbine gearboxes, high-speed locomotive gears, coupling and transmission equipment. DongLi has set up the Provincial High and New Tech Research and Development Center, which integrates the standards, information, R&D, design, techniques, and testing of gears, as well as gear disable analysis, and gathered a large group of high-caliber talents in the transmission equipment research and development. In recent years, DongLi was granted more than 90 national patents. DongLi has taken the lead to adopt advanced modularized concept in designing product, manufacturing parts, and accessories as per unified standards. DongLi divides its products into different functional units with a general interfaces, thus theoretically realizing numerous changes and combinations between the gear reducers and electrical motors. They can satisfy different working conditions and provide the most suitable transmission solution for clients. To guarantee the outstanding quality and let making DongLi become its pride, DongLi has adopted the most advanced equipment and manufacturing techniques in the world, including the work blank detection, work blank processing, heat treatment, gear machining, gear measuring, case processing, case measuring, and product assembly so as to conduct the automatic processing. Now, DongLi possesses the CNC gear profile grinding machines, CNC gear hopping machines, CNC spiral bevel gear grinding machines, and Klinenberg gear milling machines, as well as the horizontal machining center, the gantry machining center, the boring milling work center, CNC vertical lathes, and CNC floor type boring and milling machines. Moreover, DongLi has introduced world-class heat treatment equipment from Austria, including multiple production lines of multi-purpose chamber furnaces, pit-type carburizing furnaces, tempering furnaces, and iron nitriding furnaces. DongLi has established the national-level calibrating and measuring center and possesses high-accuracy inspection devices, including 3-dimensional inspection machines, gear measuring center, direct reading spectrometers, type approval test rig. DongLi's products are widely applied in the industries from metallurgy to mining, from light industry to environmental protection, and from building materials to harbor, port, and electric power. They are closely related to the economic development as well as people's lives. DongLi's sales network has covered 32 provinces, cities, and autonomous regions in China. Meanwhile, DongLi's products have been certified in many countries and selling well in countries and regions such as the United States, Germany, Italy, Brazil, Argentina, India, Oman, Australia, and Taiwan. providing continuous power to clients around the world. The professional service team and the advanced service awareness are incorporated in the design, production, sales, and service of DongLi's products. DongLi undertakes to its clients that it can solve the toughest transmission problem within 48 hours. DongLi's over 100 technical service and maintenance engineers provide the whole process service for clients, which includes 3 guarantees: online spot check and maintenance, remote diagnosis, maintenance and reparation, and zero inventory of parts. DongLi has established maintenance service bases in East China, South China, Middle China, Southwest China, North China, and Northeast China, as well as in Australia, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. DongLi has provided general maintenance contracting service jointly with and set up joint ventures with corporations such as Hamdan Steel, Wuhan Steel, Magang Steel, Bao Steel Zhanjiang, and Yunnan Copper. DongLi strives to create the best product quality, reduce production costs for enterprises, and save resources for the social development. DongLi has never stopped its exploration and progress with courage and confidence. It knows that it would never achieve a steady growth without cooperation with others. Through innovation, it strives to provide reliable and high-quality products and systems, as well as application and service. DongLi has now become the first-choice partner of many multinational companies. Harmony will gather strength. Trustworthiness will win the market, and responsibility will usher in a bright future. DongLi provides its employees with opportunities, create value for its shareholders, and assume the responsibility for the society. It has highlighted teamwork and the common development of both employees and enterprises. Thus has won the Advanced Enterprise featuring harmonious labor relations and the top 10 private enterprises making outstanding contribution in charity career in Ningbo City. DongLi strives to improve life with quality, create a better future with service, and bring the highest value for clients. It is DongLi's objective to become an expert in the most professional transmission equipment solutions. In recent years, the company has kept making innovations with the support of its advanced processing equipment and strong technical team. It has developed from the monotonous manufacturer to the expert of transmission solutions. A new milestone has been surpassed. Persistent improvement, sincere service, and confident handling of difficulties. Huge tides roll in the East Sea, catching eyes from all directions. Today, DongLi has climbed onto a new height and can look much farther. During the creation of high-quality transmission equipment, it has been developing faster and faster. We firmly believe that DongLi, which advances with the times, will occupy a commanding height in the competition. In Jiangnan, which is rising rapidly, a brilliant picture and a powerful sound of development have emerged. DongLi drives endless possibilities.